The limits for IRA contributions for the 2020 tax year are the same as those for 2019, but there are some changes to IRA rules. Key IRA changes for 2020. Changes to IRAs for 2020 include: there is no longer an age limit to make contributions to your traditional or Roth IRA. The age when someone must start taking required minimum distributions from retirement accounts has been increased to 72. Economic relief legislation approved by Congress enables account holders to skip mandatory IRA distributions in 2020. And the law also enables certain Americans to withdraw up to $100,000 from their IRAs and avoid the 10% early withdrawal penalty. Contribution limits for 2020. Total contributions to all traditional and Roth IRAs cannot exceed $6,000 if you're under age 50, $7,000 if you're 50 or older, or your taxable compensation for the year if the compensation was less than either $6,000 or $7,000 depending on your age. To capitalize on the contribution adjustments for IRAs, you might consider a self-directed IRA. Regular IRAs are limited to only approved stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and similar vehicles. A self-directed IRA offers a risk diversification option that traditional IRAs can't compete with: the ability to hold hard assets like gold and other precious metals. Portfolio diversification, including the addition of precious metals, can help ease your portfolio's response to market fluctuations and boost your gains. Even a 2% allocation toward gold could improve returns. In particular, a self-directed IRA that includes gold can offer a hedge against inflation and a fluctuating dollar. And it also can deliver tax-deferred or tax-free growth while you're saving for retirement. A variety of gold, silver, and platinum bars and coins can be set aside in a self-directed IRA. With gold on your side, you can work toward a retirement that feels stronger and safer. Call U.S. Money Reserve today with questions about IRA contributions, and click the link in the description to download your free Gold Information Kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about diversifying your portfolio by purchasing precious metals.